This weekend marks 50 years since Roe v. Wade, which protected a woman's right to an abortion. That ruling is no longer the law of the land. Some are happy about it. Others are outraged. Our Casey Nolan is live outside the Supreme Court to talk about two very different rallies coming to our backyard.
That's right, Leslie. Both will converge here at the Supreme Court, where right now crews are putting up fencing around the building in anticipation of crowds. On Sunday, we have the Women's March, and tomorrow the March for Life, whose supporters say just because they got the ruling they wanted from this court, that doesn't mean they're done.
Welcome. We are so glad to have you here
at Catholic University of America in Northeast D.C. This night before the 49th annual March for Life is the first of its kind, preparing for a march on the National Mall post-Roe.
I think a lot of people are really excited about the movement.
But Sophia Cook, a senior and president of Cardinals for Life at the university, says she does not expect celebration from most in the march.
You know, this issue is far from being settled in people's hearts. And ultimately what we want to arrive at is a society where abortion is unthinkable.
How have you seen it change over the years?
I've only seen it grow and get younger.
Father Aquinas Gilbo says if the thousands of students already in D.C. from around the country are any indication, this year's March for Life should see tens of thousands like in years past.
I don't believe that any woman should be forced to carry a pregnancy if she does not want to.
Sunday, on the same streets, abortion rights supporters are also expected for the Women's March, a movement they say that has only grown since Roe was overturned. One of the organizations participating said in an email to WUSA 9, last year's decision sent us back to square one. Dobbs reversed half a century of progress, not just for women, but for the country as a whole, and vowed to continue fighting for what they call reproductive equity and equality.
We want to make a really clear show of the fact that we're not going to go back. Having our rights stripped from us is just unacceptable.
As for tomorrow's march, some in the anti-abortion rights community say fewer people may actually show up here in D.C. and instead decide to march and protest in their home states where abortion laws are now decided. Nevertheless, fencing is now going up in expectation of those crowds, Leslie.
And we will see what happens, Casey, when they come to town tomorrow. Thank you.